This device is called tape measurement. Like any tools, it has a different size, shape, and color. This one is large, this one is small. Both of them have the same color, which is black and yellow. About the shape, I don't know the exact shape. This one, someone circle or round, or maybe irregular, doesn't matter. Tape measurement, it has a very thin, as you see, and long pieces. These pieces may be either steel, like this one, or cloth, like this one, and also it has metallic and fiber glass pieces. These pieces marked with the units of length, such as inches or centimeter. This one marked with the centimeter unit, and this one marked with the inch unit of measurement. Tape measurement used for measurement of anything you want, but this one is more specialized, which is smooth and used for measurement close. Tape measurement, it has a plastic cover which yellow in color, and this label adhere to it. Write down some information about it, for example the name, tape measurement, and length about 2 meters. It has a nylon or plastic handle for handling, and from behind it has another structure which is rectangular in shape and metallic in nature. The previous video I was mentioned one benefit of the screw, which used to connect it two pieces or more. For example, now this metallic piece, by the mean of this screw, connected with the plastic pieces, and this structure rule like another handle for hanging this tape measurement by the belt of man worker to prevent loose and to easily use this tape measurement. It has another structure which black in color, and like a knob. This black knob movable. You can move from down to upside, and vice versa is true. By the mean of this black knob, you can control the movement of steel piece. At the previous, I was pull the steel piece to outside, and now is fixed, not move, by the control of black knob. If I move this black knob to upside, the steel piece retracted itself, for example by this way.